Before we get into today's video, I've noticed that a ton of you guys that watch my videos aren't actually subscribed, so if you are enjoying the content here on Copper vs Glass, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're notified anytime I post a new video here on the channel. This video is sponsored by Landlord Go. Now, Landlord Go is an AR real estate game that lets you buy, sell and hire property in real time in your real world location. It uses augmented reality for you to see the world around you and seek out those highly valuable properties to buy for your own. The property information is based on real world data and locations, so if there's that stadium that you've had your eye on for quite some time, then snap it up quick. Buying multiple properties of the same colour can give you bonuses and power-ups to increase your portfolio and of course your wealth. You can even buy the most prestigious property in your town or city, like the look of the Sydney Opera House or the Empire State Building. Well, put up some cash and you can buy some shares and start making some money back on your investment straight away. Now, the properties you own will start to collect rent every 15 minutes or so there's always going to be some cash flow, and you can also put your own properties up for bid, and sometimes these go crazy high in terms of value, so you can really make your return and then buy some more properties and keep on building your empire. And with lots of places still in lockdown and not being able to leave your own home, you do have the property agent, which basically lets you travel all around the world. So if you live in the UK like I do, but you do want to buy a really nice property in the States, then again you've got the option to do so, even though you're stuck indoors. You can even compete against your friends and other players around the world to see who has the best property and overall who's the best landlord. So if you want to start building your property empire, click the link in the description down below and you can get a special influencer pack and an extra $1 million in cash to get you going. And again, a huge thanks to Landlord Go for sponsoring today's video. Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and it is that time again when we look at the top Android icon packs. Now, I've slightly changed up the formula and I've created a whole playlist now of all of the top icon pack episodes that I've done in the past. So instead of doing it month by month, I've just done it in episodes, and today is episode 20, so let's take a look. So first up then we have the Duo icon pack. Now this icon pack comes in with around 2,100 icons, 30 cloud wallpapers. You also have dynamic calendar icons, which is really good, so that every day that you have, it changes the calendar icon to match the specific date. You've also got custom folder icons, and it's updated pretty regularly in regards to adding new icons, or you can request icons and see exactly them get added to the icon pack. So if there's a specific icon that isn't themed, for example, you can request it and hopefully the developer will just put it straight into the application. The actual icons themselves do look really nice. They've got a very minimal design to them. They don't really have any thick outlines or anything like that. And all of the colors, including the outlines, are made up of the same color of the icon itself. So for example, the Twitter icon just has a blue outline along with the blue icon as well. It doesn't have a specific theme to it in regards to a massive black border that you find in some other icon packs. Overall though, it looks extremely nice. It does have a really minimal design to it, and again will look really nice with the majority of setups out there. Now if you have a really busy setup, for example, it may not necessarily look the best, but if you're going for a very clean minimal design, this icon pack is going to fit in very well. And keeping with that clean and simple design, we have the Minimalist icon pack. Now this pack is going to come with around 6,300 icons, so the majority of icons that you're going to have on your home screen or in your app drawer are definitely going to be covered. You've got 70 cloud wallpapers, a really nice material design dashboard, and a really nice design of the pastel color palette. Now overall the icons themselves do look extremely nice. You are also going to be getting some regular updates as well, so that's really good to see. Or like with the majority of icon packs, you can request an individual icon to be skinned moving forward. Now the majority of the icons are going to be square, so that's definitely something to keep in mind. If you're a fan of the rounded design of the pixel icons, for example, or you just like the unique shape of some icons that are out there, the majority are going to be squared off with this icon pack. And yes, some of them are maybe a little bit too minimal, so if you are looking for that very clean setup, then this is definitely one to go for, but you may have to remember which icon relates to actually which application, because again, some of them are very minimal, consisting of maybe only 2 colors, so that's definitely something to keep in mind. Next up then we have a very unique icon pack with the Ombre Icons. Now with this icon pack, you're going to be getting around 4,400 icons, 50 plus cloud wallpapers. You're also going to be getting a clock widget to match, so that's really nice to see. A lot of icon packs these days do come with additional features like wallpapers and also some widgets as well. You've got the one-tap icon request, which is really great to see, and you've also got automatic custom icons. So again, if there's an icon that isn't necessarily skinned, it will do its best to skin it to match the theme of the icon pack, and there are also multiple colors for different applications as well. In regards to the icons, each icon does have basically like a dock at the bottom of the actual icon itself. Now, some of these are just themed to match the icon itself, or you can see, for instance, the YouTube application, the dock down at the bottom does have a scrubber timeline to it as well, so some of them are actually themed to the application itself. Now, a lot of the icons are also more of a dark theme as well, so that's definitely something to keep in mind, but overall it's a very unique and sort of unusual icon pack. It's not necessarily going to fit with every single setup, and for this one it may just be that you theme a couple of icons on your home screen, for example, not necessarily a system-wide theme, but still looks pretty cool. Next up then we have the outline icon pack. Now this one is going to come with a ton of icons. You're going to have just over 7,100 icons, so again the majority of applications you're going to be using are going to be themed. You've got 26 high resolution wallpapers, and you've also got alternative designs for multiple applications. You can also mask icons that aren't supported. Now it doesn't necessarily do the best job with this. In regards to the color scheme of the icon pack, it does a pretty good job, and it also supports over 32 different launchers, so regardless of how you're going to be customizing your Android device, you know you're going to be covered. The icons themselves actually look really nice. Now this one for me is more of a just kind of plain black AMOLED display sort of setup in regards to the actual theming of the icon pack. As you can see, they kind of have a neon sign look and feel to them, so again that's definitely something to keep in mind if you are going to be using a lighter theme, for example. It may not necessarily look the best. However, if you are team dark mode, then this application is going to be really good in terms of theming your icons and giving it a really unique look and feel. Now, yes, don't get me wrong, lined icon packs are something that are plentiful on the Play Store, but this one is pretty unique in regards to the way that it actually looks. Now again, the neon glow that it has looks really nice. I would have maybe liked to see a bit more of a sort of glow effect to them, but overall, if you're going for that dark theme and you want to add a little bit of color to your setup, then this is going to be a great option. And then lastly, we have the Pyrio icon pack. Now this one's going to consist of just over 5,000 icons, 1,000 Quad HD wallpapers. You are also going to be getting a clock widget included, weekly updates, and it is also going to have that dynamic calendar that a load of people like. Now the icons themselves are very pixel-esque in regards to the fact that they are all rounded icons, and they do pretty much all follow the material design that Google set out a couple of years ago. And to be honest guys, that's kind of it with this icon pack. If you've seen a round pixel themed icon pack, then you've pretty much seen what this one has to offer. The reason why I like it though is for the 1,000 Quad HD wallpapers, and also the fact that you've got over 5,000 icons that are going to be themed. Now it does also do its best in regards to masking icons as well, and it does a pretty good job, and that's kind of because you just have to put it in a circle. So again, in regards to the masking options, it's pretty easy to do. But overall, if you're looking to get a pixel look and feel on pretty much any Android device, this is a great icon pack to go for. And that's going to do it guys for episode 20 of Android icon packs. Now as always, they are going to be all linked in that description down below, along with the Landlord Go application, and again thanks to those guys for sponsoring today's video. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below, and if you've got any questions, comments, or any icon packs you want me to take a look at in the future, let me know in the comments below or on Twitter at @CopperVs.Glass. For more great content moving forward, don't forget to subscribe, and once you've hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you're notified anytime I post a new video here on the channel. I'm Michael from CopperVs.Glass. Thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.